How to fix a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated in 2xko. Now, I'm going to be providing you up the most generic and most popular troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix this and play the game. So first things first is to simply clearing cache and deleting unnecessary folders that you have directly from Riot Games on 2xko. Now open up your Windows icon and type in run. And then in here, just simply access percentage app data percentage, hit on OK. And then in here, just choose on app data, local, and choose on your Riot Games folder. From here, you'll just have to delete 3 main folders directly from 2xko, install 2xko closed beta, and then the line folder. Delete all these 3 and try to relaunch the game. Now, second troubleshooting step is to turn off or disconnect your Wi-Fi connection, run the game, and then you just need to reconnect your Wi-Fi connection once the game boots up. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated in 2xko.